Hey tech fans! Did you know Android 16 just dropped and it's packed with features that could completely change how you use your phone? In the next 15 minutes, I'm diving deep into my honest review of Android 16, revealing 5 game-changing features you need to try right now, and exposing one thing Google got totally wrong. Whether you're a Pixel user or waiting for the update on your Samsung, OnePlus, or Xiaomi, this video will show you what's worth the hype and what's not. Stick around until the end for a hidden trick most users miss that'll make your phone feel brand new. Let's jump in. Alright, Android 16 is here and it's a big deal for 2025. Google's calling it their most polished update yet, with smarter notifications, beefed up security, and tools to make your phone work harder for you. I've been testing it on my Pixel 9 Pro for a week and I'm breaking down everything you need to know, especially how these features can save you time, boost productivity, or just make your phone more fun. By the end, you'll know exactly what Android 16 does best and if it's worth updating ASAP. Let's start with the 5 features that blew me away. First up, live updates are a total game changer for notifications. Imagine ordering food on DoorDash or tracking an Uber ride without constantly opening the app. Live updates pins real-time progress bars right to your lock screen or notification shade. For example, I ordered pizza last night, and I could see my driver's ETA update second by second without leaving my Netflix binge. It's like iOS live activities, but Google's made it smoother with a status bar chip that lets you tap for quick actions like calling your driver. This works for ride-sharing, food delivery, and navigation apps, and it's already rolling out to apps like Google Maps and Uber. Trust me, once you try this, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Next, Advanced Protection is Google's new security superpower. This is a single toggle that locks down your phone like Fort Knox. It includes theft detection, scam call screening, and even a feature that reboots your phone after 72 hours of inactivity to wipe out any sneaky malware. I tested it by plugging in a random USB cable, and my phone defaulted to charging-only mode to block data access. Super smart. You can turn it on in settings under security and privacy, and it's perfect for anyone who wants peace of mind without digging through menus. With scams getting crazier in 2025, this is a must-have. Third, desktop windowing is finally here, and it's a productivity beast on tablets and foldables. If you've used Samsung DeX, this is Google's take but built into Android 16. You can open multiple apps in resizable windows, drag them around, and even pin them for multitasking. I was editing a Google Doc, watching YouTube, and chatting on WhatsApp, all on my Pixel Fold's big screen. It's not perfect yet. Some apps don't resize smoothly, but Google's promising a full rollout later this year with custom keyboard shortcuts and taskbar overflow. If you've got a big screen device, this makes your phone feel like a laptop. Fourth, the notification cooldown feature is a lifesaver for group chat chaos. Ever been spammed by 20 messages in a row? Android 16 automatically lowers the volume of rapid-fire notifications from the same app for up to 2 minutes. I tested it with a hyperactive WhatsApp group and my phone stopped buzzing like crazy after the 3rd ping. Priority notifications like calls or alarms still come through loud and clear, so you won't miss anything important. It's a small tweak, but it makes your phone feel less overwhelming. And fifth, Auracast audio sharing is the party trick you didn't know you needed. Using Bluetooth LE audio, you can stream music or podcasts to multiple Bluetooth devices at once, like sharing a playlist with friends' earbuds at a gym session. I tried it with 2 pairs of earbuds and the sync was flawless. You need LE audio-compatible devices, but it's a cool way to make your phone the DJ. Check settings under connected devices to set it up. Want more Android 16 tips and exclusive tech updates? Join our Telegram and WhatsApp groups for free guides and early access to my latest hacks. Links are in the description. Tap them now to stay ahead of the curve. Now let's talk about the one thing Google fumbled. The Material 3 expressive redesign. Think vibrant colors, bouncy animations, and a revamped quick settings panel was supposed to be Android 16's big visual glow-up. But it's not here yet. Google pushed it to the QPR1 update, coming in September 2025. Right now, Android 16 looks almost identical to Android 15, which is a letdown if you were expecting a fresh vibe. It's stable, sure, but it feels like a half-baked launch without the promised facelift. Here's a bonus tip most people miss. Android 16's predictive back gesture is now on by default, even for 3-button navigation. It shows a preview of where your back tap will take you, making navigation smoother. I accidentally closed apps all the time on Android 15, but this feature saved me from misclicks. To tweak it, head to Settings, System and Navigation Mode. It's a small change that makes a big difference. So what's the verdict on Android 16? It's not the flashy overhaul we hoped for, but features like live updates, advanced protection and desktop windowing make it a solid upgrade for productivity and security. If you're on a Pixel 6 or newer, check for the update in Settings under System Update. Other brands like Samsung and OnePlus will roll it out over the summer, so stay patient. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Don't forget to join our Telegram, WhatsApp, and blog for exclusive Android guides. Links are in the description. Our community got this Android 16 guide a week early, and spots are filling up fast, so tap those links now to avoid missing out. Drop a comment below. Which Android 16 feature are you most excited for? I'll be replying to help with any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.